Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now if you know me, you know I love a good biscuit or two, but even I can admit that too much sugar is never a good thing in it. If you're passionate about health and wellness and living that low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle, well then you've come to the right place. Today we're going on a journey together. We're diving headfirst into a sugar-free revolution. I'm talking about 15 incredible low-carb foods that will not only help you manage your blood sugar, but also keep you energized throughout the day. Ready to take on anything? So buckle up, grab your water bottle, sparkling for me, love a bit of fizz, and let's get this sugar-free party started. First up, we've got to give a big round of applause to our leafy green friends. Spinach, kale, lettuce, they're the unsung heroes of the low-carb world. And let's be honest, they're tired of being the side salad, always overshadowed by the main course. These greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied without the carb overload. So next time you're at the grocery store, channel your inner Popeye and stock up on those leafy greens. Now, who doesn't love a good avocado? They're like the Beyoncé of the fruit world, smooth, creamy, and always in style. And the best part, they're loaded with healthy fats, fiber, and potassium, making them a perfect low-carb snack or addition to any meal. Spread some avocado on your toast, gluten-free of course, toss it in a salad or whip up some guacamole. Trust me, your taste buds and your blood sugar levels will thank you for it. Now let's talk about kicking those sugar cravings to the curb, shall we? Because let's be honest, sometimes our willpower needs a little backup. That's where Sugar Defender comes in, your new best mate in the fight against sugar. This supplement is a game changer, my friends. It helps reduce those pesky sugar cravings, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and gives you a boost of energy. Imagine that. No more mid-afternoon slump. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your health, cheering you on every step of the way. Now, for anyone serious about managing their blood sugar, GlucoTrust is a must-have. It's like having a personal assistant for your health, keeping everything running smoothly. This supplement is especially beneficial for those following a low-carb or sugar-free diet. GlucoTrust helps you maintain healthy blood sugar levels, which is absolutely crucial for overall wellness. It's like giving your body the VIP treatment it deserves. Because you're worth it, darling. Now, managing your diet is more than just taking supplements, right? It's about making sustainable changes that fit into your lifestyle. That's where the custom keto diet comes in. Your personalized roadmap to low-carb success. Imagine this. Delicious, satisfying meals delivered straight to your inbox, all tailored to your specific needs and goals. No more boring salads or bland chicken breasts. The custom keto diet takes all the guesswork out of healthy eating. Now, for all you smoothie lovers out there, I've got just the thing. The smoothie diet, while not exclusively low-carb, can be easily adapted to fit a sugar-free lifestyle. It's packed with delicious smoothie recipes that are both nutritious and convenient. Imagine starting your day with a refreshing blend of fruits, veggies, and all things good for you. It's like giving your body a mini vacation in a glass. Last but not least, we have Eat Stop Eat, an intermittent fasting program that complements a low-carb, sugar-free diet like a charm. Now, I know what you're thinking, fasting, but trust me on this one. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for weight management and metabolic health. It's like hitting the reset button on your body, giving it a chance to recharge and rejuvenate. And the Eat Stop Eat program guides you every step of the way, making sure you're doing it safely and effectively. So, there you have it. Whether you're just starting out on your low-carb journey or you're a seasoned pro, these products are here to support you every step of the way. Remember, it's all about making small, sustainable changes that add up to big results. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Let's spread the word and start a sugar-free revolution together. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.